Line construction 6. Next, we will construct common tangents to two circles. Let the two circles have centers O and P with radii R1 and R2. There are two possibilities to consider: external tangent and internal tangent. First, with O as the center and radius equal to the sum or difference of R1 and R2, draw a reference circle. Next, draw a tangent to this reference circle from point P by following the same procedure used in line construction 5, tangents to a circle from a point outside it. After that, join O and T and extend it to meet the first circle at point A. Then, through P, draw a line PB parallel to OA, intersecting the second circle at B. Finally, join A and B. The line AB is the required common tangent to the two circles. This method is systematic and works well for both external and internal tangents. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more.